Okay guys, let me unboxing. This is let me see. I got something special from Xiaomi today. Oh, what is that? Okay. This is Xiaomi Real. Okay. See, I got two of them here, the black color and gray color, and I got more filter, I think. Yeah, see, let me check this out inside. Oh, let's see. Get more some review. Two of them. Mass quiet simplicity. The gray one seems nice. Then let me take the black color. Black one still intact. See, open. Nice. Oh man, this is good. I like the black one. It got two filter level. See. That's very good. Okay. Okay. One strip. Yeah. Open in here. Oh, nice. Open this one. Okay. Look, the outside seems normal. Let's see, we got filter in here. Let me open this one. Let's put this thing. Oh, I see, like this. Just plug and play. This filter seems soft, very soft. Nice. Okay, that's it guys. If you like it, you can give me a thumbs up, and you can check below the video where I buy this mask. Okay, thank you, see you guys.